All right, guys, so now let's talk about tuples, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to declare a variable, and I'm going to say something like cars, and then in here, I'm going to come and I'm going to put it in parentheses, and then I'm going to pass in Benz, I'm going to pass in BMW, I'm going to also pass in Honda, and I'm going to pass in what is it, Nissan. All right. Now, if we come here, we print this out. We say cars. We print it out. It says Benz, BMW, Honda, Nissan. Okay. If you want to get access to any of these properties, just like a list, you could literally come here, put in the brackets, and say, hey, put the number 0, and I want to get access to it. Okay. So show me the 0 index. All right, and automatically it says Benz. But something that you're going to notice about tuples that's pretty cool is that I can come here and say something like this, cars, and then try to do it how we did it with list, where we say, hey, I want to change the 0, right, the 0 index. Instead of Benz, I wanted to say Joe. Now let's see what happens. It says most recent code last Python line 2 tuple object does not support item assignment. Okay, so pretty much when you set up a tuple, that tuple is immutable, right? Immutable means that you cannot change it after the fact that it got declared. Okay, unlike the list where if I had a list here and I say, okay, there's a list, come back all the way to the other side, and I come here and I try to change this, automatically Benz becomes Joe. And when I print it out, it shows me Joe. Okay. All right. So that's the difference between a list and a tuple. Okay. Always remember, whenever you want to have a list of different items, but you don't want nobody to be able to change it, always use a tuple because it's immutable. All right. So I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye.